Wait. Trying to work hard to get my motherfucking paper. I'm JRC, man, I'm the hardest fucking taker. Put me under the ground, you can put me all the way down. I will never stop, man, you always gonna hear a sound coming out this mouth, talking all these words, vocabulary, all these slurs, all these fucking herds. I'm coming with the group, I'm coming for defeat. And if you stepping in my path, nigga, 10 feet deep, I kill you all. I don't give a fuck who's stepping in my way. I kill you all, man, put me on fucking sway. Everybody gotta hear the fucking lines, man. I'm JRC, I intertwine life with fucking freestyle. I put it in one word so you can meanwhile sit back and kick down and tell these niggas how I sound. I'm JRC, man, I'm coming for these rounds. Rocky in the game, tell these niggas how I play. Bang bang, 2 shots with these fucking dukes. I don't need a fucking cannon to show you how I move. I'm better than the niggas, I'm better than the truest. I don't even rock Chewy and I'm the truest. Religion till I drop, but I'm an atheist, so stop. I don't rep that shit cause fugazi niggas popped. I don't give a fuck, I can pray for fucking days, but this nigga's a bitch ass nigga and he don't come my way. Yo Jesus, where the fuck you at? I've been preaching 4 days and I don't even see this nigga. Where you at? I be spitting facts straight out the fucking Mac. If a nigga step on my block, the cannon's gonna splat. Our shit keeps on moving, man. I keep on fucking swaying with the groove and the movement. Killing all these niggas, I'm busting out the triggers. Holy shit, is JRC. Wait, back the fuck up, niggas. Swerving in that lane like my bitches gave me brain. Shit so type crazy, man, I'm going insane. But not from all that weed, not from that drinking in that Hennessy. It's just because I'm puffing every day and smoking all this weed. But I'm still flowing every fucking night. Every single time I spit, man, that shit just comes so tight. And I ain't talking about your bitch's pussy when I say it's right. But if I'm coming through, bitch, I'ma fuck it every night. I'm the realest nigga, holy shit you don't know. I'm JRC, holy shit I'm coming for that show. I wanna be on a feature, I wanna be on the tracks. Yo, tell these niggas, JRC man, cut me some slack. Really coming up just to prove that I'm a stunner. Just to prove that I'm the realest nigga like a gunner. I ain't running, I ain't funning, I'm just telling niggas quick. Holy shit I'm JRC and I'll give you bitch a dick. Real fucking quick every motherfucking night. JRC, holy shit, you reppin' so tight. Damn, I'm lean with that purple and that Sprite, but I ain't so on the beat, I just make it look light. Damn, faded out like I smoked 2 blunts. Everybody coming through, but I'm Kobe with the shots. So nobody stepping up on my fucking plate. JRC, 1 breath, and that's already checkmate. And I'm killing all these vibes and all these slurs. Everybody coming through, but I got the herd. I got the fucking works and I got the fucking verbs. And if you coming through, I'ma hit you with them slurs. Wait, and now I'm steering off the road. Holy shit, I lost it all, man, I'm coming for the show. Damn, they gotta see me on the top. Niggas don't want me there, so they better fucking stop. I don't give a fuck, ain't nobody wanna see me there. Guess what, I don't really motherfucking care. I'm JRC, I'm coming for the show, so you niggas know I'ma rep the game till I stop. Fuck you though. And I kill it every night like I'm a motherfucking freak. Holy shit, I hit your bitch and then she tweak. Limping off that perk, limping off that lean. JRC, you spit it so motherfucking mean. I know, stop, everybody say the flow is tight. Everybody say that I'm spitting so mighty nice. I know, but I ain't preaching to the choir. I'm only spitting facts that niggas got a desire. Everybody wanna hear what I'm fucking saying. I'm words, I'm slaying, I'm killing everybody in every fucking way. And I ain't fucking motherfucking playing. Wait, but I fucked up real quick. But I still got a stack, and I still fuck your bitch. And if she come through, she'll probably give it a lick. From the tip to the balls, then I suck a shit. I tell you real quick, man, you bitches is some suckers, bitch. Wait. Yeah.